I'm going to be a superhero today, said Thomas. Watch this. This should be good, said Gordon. Thomas got onto the turntable. Wow! He's turned into Batman. My turn, said Percy. Yes, I'm Robin, said Percy. Yes, you are, said Thomas. But you're also very small. Percy, you've shrunk and you don't fit on the track. Thomas looked amazing as Batman. So much detail. I'm off now, said Thomas. Sorry you can't come, Percy. And off he went. He stopped. I know what I can do. And he went back to Percy. Hop in, Percy. We really are Batman and Robin now, said Percy. This is fun, said Thomas. They didn't see the real Batman and Robin tied up. Did you just see the penguin? Shall we catch him, said Thomas. I have a plan. Do you think this will work? Said Percy. Yes, this is the best way to catch penguins. Fish? Get ready, Percy, said Thomas. It worked. The penguin came up to the fish, and just as he was going to take some, Percy knocked him to the ground. Tie him up, said Thomas. This really is fun, said Percy. Did you just see the Riddler? Said Thomas to Percy. I've got another plan. With Percy hiding, Thomas was on the track by a large pile of paint pots. The Riddler was curious. What are these? I've got a riddle for you, said Thomas. What's red and yellow but used to be green? I'm supposed to ask the riddles, said the Riddler, but I don't know. Me! Shouted Percy, jumping out at the Riddler. Good one, Percy, said Thomas. Tie him up. Hee hee, said Percy. I used to be green, but now I'm red and yellow like Robin. They carried on. That was the Joker. Another plan, Percy. Come and get me, Joker, said Thomas. Batman, at last. You look a little different though. No, it's me, said Thomas. The Joker went to grab Thomas and Percy jumped on him from behind. They tied him up too and carried on their journey. They stopped. That's the real Batman and Robin, said Thomas. They're tied up. Go and rescue them, Percy. Oh, thank you, said Batman and Robin. Now we can go and catch the villains. Oh, it's all right. We've done it already, said Percy. You should join us, said Batman. Wake up, Thomas! Wake up, Thomas! It had all been a dream. Thank you for watching our story. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and then click on any of these images to watch more. See you soon!